Hello, I would like to show you in my video the compressor nebulizer from Omron. So inside the package is the compressor itself. Compressor is this white device. Inside the package is of course the another another parts like tube and the nebulizer kit itself. Also there is a mask for adult and mask for children. So the compressor have on the top the power switch to switch it on and off, the tube which is used to flow the pressured air have to be put inside, and this part it's called the nebulizer kit. The nebulizer kit if you want to use it for inhalation, so you have to put here inside the medicine. So you see here you put the medicine itself, you collect it, and on the top you put this mouthpiece. This is called the mouthpiece. The another part of the tube have to be put here, and just to and the next usage is very easy. You just need to switch it on, and you see there is a steam. So the usage itself of this Omron compressor is very easy, as I showed you. So I think this is the everything, and all necessary information you will find into the instruction manual. Okay, thanks for watching, and subscribe my video if you like it.